Hello friends, I hope you are well. Here is a 1-hour buy and sell strategy for you today. I will try to show. As I always say, there is nothing in the training video I tell. It is not investment advice. Do not open trades by following these, you can get big losses. The video is purely for educational purposes. Don't do exactly what I'm talking about, do something on the strategy yourself. And evaluate the strategy from different angles because only in this way can you improve yourself. Now friends, today I will show you a trade in 1 hour period and here I am. I will try to explain what we should pay attention to, what we should do. First of all, you can view the indicator from the indicators section. I copied the name because it was too long. I already got the name of the indicator from the signal profile above. This appears in the indicators. Copied version. Let me show you. After typing this, you stop the video here, full the name of the indicator. As you receive. After typing this, click this indicator once. Another indicator that we will use to confirm this indicator will be stochastic. Let me give you a little information about the indicator. Friends, as you can see, the indicator is on the screen. Its period is 1 hour period. The type of candle is normal candle. I am not changing anything. 1 hour period. As it appears on the screen. As you can see, there are two conditions. There are two colors in green and mustard yellow. Already means that the green color now means that the price will go up. We all know. We will not change their input setting. Indicator of PPSignal is a trend indicator. Small squares, moving average logic. Working with. It also follows the trend strength. This is how a friend explained this indicator. I interpret this for you. We will also use the stochastic indicator. As I always say, do not use a single indicator to confirm the signal. Because of the lack of knowledge. We can. So this will work 100%. There is no case. We can lose, we can stop. Therefore, never open a trade without putting a stop loss. I am not changing its settings. Since our period is 1 hour, adjust the stochastic settings. We need to set it according to 1 hour period. I am changing the input settings for this. 15-minute and 5-minute charts. I do the settings 533 in a 1 hour period. I make the settings 1533. Guys, as you can see. After clicking OK, adjusting stochastic. So what should we do? What to watch out for? Do we need to? After all, it's a trend indicator. Dude, as you can see. It also works, the indicator is also bidirectional. You can use it, but there are also details you need to pay attention to. For example, the founder of this is the trend line you see here. He named it UO. A buy signal when this line turns green. 0:04:05.510, 0:04:11.090 it says it gives. When this line changes from green to mustard yellow. It says signal. It's fine when we look at it. Now but moving it here. You can actually check the two against each other by using it with the mean. How is it? As you can see here, the simple moving average following UO. There is a SMA, that means when the price jumps above the simple moving average, the price will rise. We can foresee. But as I said, if you don't have technical knowledge, one of these moves. Stay away, you can get big losses. Although it intersects with stochastic at the same time, if you are unaware, you can use such moves. Stay away. Friends, I prefer transactions close to warranty rather than warranty. Let's go. For example, the founder of the indicator. It says it will be green. Above that it produces a buy signal. Wait for both green and movement, simple moving. Wait for times when it beats above average. For example, I am giving an example, there is a very good example here now. When we get it in the price range here, so over there. I'm assuming we entered the transaction here. Showed an average increase of about 1%. Now here is what I want you to see. Friends, at the same time rendezvous with stochastic. Now it's stochastic, one candle later it crosses just more comfortably. You can use this here. Now here's what the founder said. Like the back hasn't turned green, so we can consider it a fake. How? Where price beats on it, it turns green. It doesn't spin here. We do not comply with the condition here. According to the logic of this indicator, is it still the same when we look at it now? Here came a pump-style candle, 4%. It had a half rise, but still didn't turn green. Not turned here, leaving red. Let's assume you're back here. We are waiting for the close of this candle. Remember, we always trade with these closings. Friends are turning green here, no candle closing, trading here. We assume we are in. If we trade here, we will make a profit close to 1%. We get a profit ratio, even a 1 hour 31 minutes and 20 seconds % profit ratio. I'm looking over here. For example, here the stochastic jumps over and intersects. Here, our buy conditions are now formed. So we're looking at time. The profit here is 1.33%. Almost 1%. Where can we stop? Again, we have a 2 Yazdekans. At that moment, our stochastic region is in the 80 region. Look, over there. Write how many regions it is in. It says 81.47. Stochastic is actually the sell zone. As long as the stochastic is above 40 and below 80, there is no problem. When the stochastic goes above 80, we can tell you the price. Says it's swollen. Looking now here. We can fit and sell stochastic as well as mobile. We can sell when the average price is worth it. Now we can make the sale. Now let's go back a little further. For example, he created a buy condition here. The price beats over here. Almost 1% followed by a 70,980 style. Makes a profit. Let's count them. For example, we got them from here. We sold it at the close. 0% point. It's 50, but I don't recommend it at all. Because these are waiting for the trend to return, the moving average can sometimes give you very good place to buy profitably, but when the price returns, it comes to a sell signal. You can melt the profit in your hand until. So usually one candle in the next hour. A candle is ideal. So there is 0.80. Took the profit. It makes more sense to buy and leave, or withdraw your principal and continue with a profit. You can take the action behind it yourself. But your priority should be profit. Profit taking. And the logic of putting a stop loss must be present. Otherwise, you will be your main money while waiting for profit. When we look at it again, it gets a good profit from the reactions here, in a very nice way. When we look behind it, stochastic intersects again. It gives very good profits behind it. Now, I just said the risk here. For example, it turns green here, but the part it says here is mustard yellow. Still doesn't create a buy condition, but at the time our stochastic is a buy condition. Makes up. Looking here just now, it creates a stochastic buy condition. He puts it behind him. Again, it creates a condition. Here we create a condition. You know, if we take a risk and you have a little bit of technical knowledge. If there is, we can actually enter the process at the bottom intersections. Let's bring this to life before your eyes. Of course, we always have to be careful. For example, he made a very good trend start here. Started. It has made an excellent profit from here, as you can see it is formed. Look again under 2 of them. This time it exactly intersects and the PP signal here. The indicator beats above its oscillator as well. Here's a massive scalping. It started the trend. We can go in and take a candle and then exit and take the profit. In 1 hour trading. Friends, the important thing is your risk analysis here. So you need to know well what you need to confirm with what. I hope you understand what I'm saying, guys. As I said, nothing I tell here is in the nature of investment advice. See them purely as an education. I use stochastic here. You use something different or you enter its input settings. You change it for yourself. Maybe you want to style 1533 in a different way. Way you use it. Just follow the rules. You can't do this job without patience and will. Your will must be absolute. Thank you for listening to me. See you in the next training video. Bye, good luck.